Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burgers right in your skillet, an easy method perfect for any night. We'll start by selecting ground beef with an 80/20 fat ratio for maximum juiciness and flavor. Gently form 4 patties, each about 1/2 inch thick, ensuring they are uniform. Then, season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic meal. Now, let's get that skillet hot. Place a heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes. This ensures an even cooking surface. Next, add 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, like vegetable or canola, making sure it coats the entire bottom. Carefully place your seasoned patties into the hot skillet, leaving a little space between each one. You should hear a satisfying sizzle as they hit the pan. Once your burgers are sizzling, cook them for 3 to 4 minutes per side for a perfect medium doneness. Remember, only flip them once to achieve that beautiful, caramelized crust. If you like cheese, add a slice during the last minute of cooking. Cover the skillet briefly to help it melt perfectly over your patty. This simple step elevates your burger to the next level of deliciousness. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. For an extra touch, lightly toast your burger buns in the same skillet after removing the patties. This adds a wonderful flavor and texture. Pile on your favorite fresh toppings like lettuce, tomato, and onion, and don't forget your preferred condiments. Serve your skillet burgers immediately to enjoy them at their absolute best. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.